Hello everyone and welcome. This is a bit of a different video to what I've been posting, but I thought I'd do it regardless. So I've just had this box come through in the post, and it's not just any box, it's actually a mystery box by the company notwoways. I've been a massive fan of the type of footwear that Calix and his team over at notwoways have been making, and as I've never really been sure what to buy myself, as soon as he brought out these mystery boxes, I had to get one. Without further ado, let's see what I got. You know, I've never actually bought a mystery box before, so I'm a bit nervous. God, could you imagine if I absolutely hate them? So this is the actual box it comes in. Little tease there. But other than that, quite minimal in the way of branding. Right, let's see what I got in the mystery box. Okay. I'm going to say this, first of all. These are not my usual type of footwear, but you can't deny that this looks nuts. In terms of the colorways, I'm so boring when it comes to shoes. It's either black or white, so I'm quite happy that these are predominantly white with the sort of splash of blue and like orange. But man, these are sick. Let's get them on foot and see what they're saying. One thing I didn't notice when I was unboxing was it comes with a second pair of laces in like a nice light blue color. I'm actually a bit of a fan of this blue, so I might have to switch those out at some point.